This is a new Insta360 GPS remote. It connects via Bluetooth to your Insta360 X3, your X2, your One RS or your One R, and it adds accurate GPS data to your adventure videos. In the box you get the GPS remote itself. It's got a inbuilt battery there, a little screen, a couple of buttons on the side which we'll touch on in just a second, and it's rechargeable via this USB-C cable. It comes with two straps, one for wearing as like a watch strap so you can put it on your body, and one for adding it to some kind of vehicle like a scooter or a motorbike. The new one uses 3 different GPS systems to give you a fast and stable connection, and it is 5-meter waterproof, so if you're caught out in a rainstorm, there's no problems with this new GPS remote. So this is how you add awesome GPS stats to your adventure videos. First of all, you need to connect the GPS remote to your camera via Bluetooth. It's a simple connection of pairing the two devices together. And then you're ready to go. You can control the camera via the GPS remote by pressing the big record button. You can also change the settings and the record modes by this button on the side, and then you've got a power on button on the side there as well. It does automatically wake up if you've previously connected to the camera in the past, and then you just go out and record whatever you're doing on the motorbike, scooter, mountain biking. Go out and record, and that GPS data will be embedded in your video. It is worth noting at this point you can add GPS data to your videos without the remote. You can use your mobile device via the app. You go into the app, press the 3 dots on the right hand side of the screen, and then you can turn on GPS data there, and it adds the GPS data to your videos. But to have that work all the time, you need to have your phone screen unlocked and open within the app for it to record the data. So it's not a really convenient way of doing it. If you do lock your phone, you are in danger of losing the GPS data connection. With this remote, it's connected via Bluetooth for as long as you're recording, and then you get all the GPS data fully fast and stable. The next thing you need to do is import your footage to the app or the desktop studio. You can add stats via the application. All you have to do is import it, edit your clip, reframe the footage, and then you can add the stats within the menu along the bottom of the application. To customize it even further though, import it to the desktop studio. That allows you to change the color of your stats on the screen. You can customize it to how you want it to look, and then you can save those colors as a preset to use in future videos. So that's it. It really is as simple as that. It's a really cool accessory to have to add the GPS stats wherever your adventures may take you. This is available now on the website. It is priced at £80.99, and like I said, to get reliable, stable and fast GPS data to your 360 videos, then it's a must-have accessory. You can buy it through the link in the description down below. Please make sure you do subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. But that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.